Hello everyone. Today we will look at finding the HCF using both the prime factorization and long division method. We will find the HCF of the three numbers 18, 30 and 36. And we will find the HCF using both the prime factorization method and long division method. While we are looking at the methods, please watch them and take your notes and try to understand the difference between the two methods. First, we will look at the prime factorization method. The prime factorization method. The first step, we have to find the prime factors of all the numbers. Step 2, we will find the prime factors that are present or is common in all the numbers. Step 3, we will multiply all the common numbers. Let us now look at the prime factorization method to find the HCF of the three numbers. So, we are trying to find the HCF of 18, 30 and 36. So, the first step is we will find the prime factors of 18, 30 and 36. You already know how to find the prime factors. You can also pause the video here to see how we find the prime factors of three numbers and understand. So what are the prime factors of the three numbers? 18, the prime factors are 2, 3 and 3. When we multiply all the numbers, we get 18. Prime factors of 30 are 2, 3 and 5. Prime factors of 36 is 2, 2, 3, 3. We have now found the prime factors of all the three numbers. So the step 1 is complete. Step 2. We will find the common prime factors of 18, 30 and 36. So these are the prime factors of 18, 30 and 36. We will find the prime factors which are common in all the three numbers. So here we can see 2 is common between 18, 30 and 36. We have 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. So we write down 2. What is the next prime factor which is common between all the three numbers? Yes, it is 3. We can see it in all the three numbers, so we write down 3. Do we have any other number which is common between all the three numbers? We have got 3, but it is present only in 18 and 36, but not for 30. So 3 is not a common number. Again, 5 is present only for 30 and there is a 2 which is present only for 36. So we do not have any more common numbers. We have found the common prime factors of 18, 30 and 36 which are 2 and 3 and we have written them down. What do we do after that? We have step 3 where we multiply the common factors. The common factors here are 2 and 3. We multiply them and we get 6. So 6 is the HCF of 18, 30 and 36. We found this by using the prime factorization method. Next, we will look at the long division method. So before we go into the long division method, we will just remember the different terms of division. Do you remember? We have a dividend which we divide by the divisor and we get a quotient. Whatever remains at the bottom is called a remainder. Remember these division terms. We will now look at the long division method. Step 1. Pick any two numbers from the numbers that have been given to you. You will divide one of these numbers by the smallest number. Step 2. After the division, if you get a remainder, you will divide the divisor by the remainder. You will keep on doing this until the remainder is 0. Step 3. From the step 2 you have got a last divisor with which you got the remainder as 0. Now you will divide the other number with this last divisor and you will continue dividing till the remainder is 0 again. The last divisor that you will get is the HCF of the number. It is okay if you cannot clearly understand what I am talking about here. I will show all the steps by an example. We will again find the HCF of 18, 30 and 36. This time we will use the long division method. So what is the first step? The first step is pick any two numbers. So I am just picking 18 and 30. Next, we are going to divide by the smallest number. So which one is the smallest, 18 and 30? 18 is the smallest. So we divide 30 by 18 and we get a remainder of 12. Now we are into step 2. If you get a remainder, divide the divisor with the remainder. We will continue doing this until the remainder is 0. So we did get a remainder. The remainder was 12, right? So this is what the division is going to look like now. This is what is called a long division or a continuous division method. First we divided 30 by 18 and we got a remainder of 12. Now we are going to divide the divisor here, which is 18, by the remainder, which is 12. We get a remainder of 6. Again, we are going to divide the divisor, which is 12, by the remainder 6. And this time we get a remainder of 0. So we have got the last divisor, which is 6. We will now move on to the step 3. Now we have got the last divisor. We will divide the other number with the last divisor. And we will continue dividing till the remainder is 0. The last divisor that we will get now is the HCF. So this is how we did the division. Now the number that is left is 36. We will divide 36 by the last divisor that we had got. And this time we get a 0 only on the first time we divide. If we did not get a 0 and got a remainder instead, we would keep on dividing the divisor till we got a remainder of 0. So we got 6 as the last divisor, and this is the HCF of 18, 30 and 36. In this method, we had an example of 3 numbers. If you had 4 numbers, then you would have to divide the 4th number by 6 again to see how long you could divide till you get a remainder of 0. The last divisor would be the HCF. Now start practicing using both the prime factorization and the long division method. This will help you understand the problem better. And also remember to take your notes from the video.